OBDSTAR's latest update for Nissan RH850 2021. Key programming you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into everything automobile diagnostics. Before we get started with today's exciting topic, I have an important disclaimer. All the content you're about to see, including the demonstrations, is purely for educational and informational purposes. Whether you're a professional technician, an enthusiast, or just someone curious about vehicle programming, we're here to guide you through every step. All trademarks and brand names mentioned belong to their rightful owners, and we always encourage you to follow manufacturer guidelines and local regulations. Quick favor before we start. I know many of you watch the videos, but forget to hit that subscribe button. It takes just a second, but it makes a world of difference for the channel. So, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more cool content. Now, let's kick things off with a challenge. Can we get 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the first 24 hours? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're really feeling generous, send us a super thanks. Okay, let's get into it. So, let's talk about OBDSTAR's latest release. In April 2025, OBDSTAR dropped a new update for both Renault and Nissan IMMO software, and I'm super excited to walk you through all the new features, especially the addition of the RH850 Key programming functionality for 2021 Nissan models. If you're working with the OBDSTAR RH850 Kit, this update is a game changer, offering seamless support for key programming across a variety of vehicles. Here's a rundown of the supported tools and what's new with the Nissan RH850 function. To use the RH850 function, you'll need the OBDSTAR RH850/V850 Kit, and this update is compatible with tools like the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3, the X300 Pro 4, also known as Keymaster 5, and the OBDSTAR MQB AKL Cable 2. Now, if you work with Renault and Dacia, let me break down all the cool new features that you can expect in this update. For example, we have added blade key programming, yes, including AKL, and the PinCode read by C4-06 function for several models, like the Dacia Jogger 2021 and Renault Megane 4 Phase 2 2020. 4 proximity functions, which include all keys lost, AKL. We've got support for a wide range of vehicles like the Renault Argonaut 2020 and Renault Zoe models. It's a huge step forward for those who work with these brands. Now, let's zoom in on Nissan and Infiniti. If you're working with models like the Nissan Altima 2012 or the Nissan Rogue North America 2021, you're in luck. The update now includes proximity all keys lost, AKL, functionality, allowing you to easily recover keys for these models. And that's not all. There's also PinCode read by C4-06 for other popular models, such as the Nissan Juke J12 2021 and the Nissan Sentra North America 2022. Another big addition, the Proximity Key programming function for the Nissan Juke Europe 2019 and Nissan Qashqai Australia 2021 to 2022. If you're handling the newer models or dealing with AKL situations, this is a major upgrade to your toolkit. On the Opel side, OBDSTAR's update has added the Opel Read PinCode BCM manual function, using the Bosch RH850 plus 24C32, perfect for anyone working with these vehicles. All right, here's a question for you. Did you know that this new update supports proximity PinCode read for the Nissan Qashqai models in both Africa and South America? Drop your answers in the comments below, and let's see who's been paying attention. Before we wrap up, I have to say, this update from OBDSTAR is packed with value for technicians, mechanics, and vehicle enthusiasts working with Renault, Nissan, and Opel models. It's clear that they're listening to feedback and delivering tools that make key programming faster and more efficient. If you haven't updated yet, now's the time. Huge thanks to all my regular viewers and subscribers. Your support really keeps this channel alive and thriving. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. It's free for you, but makes a huge difference to me. Let's hit our goal of 1,000 likes and 100 comments within the first 24 hours. Smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and consider giving a super thanks to help support the channel. Thanks for watching all the way through. And if you've learned something new today, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Happy diagnosing, and remember, always keep your tools up to date.